Hey everyone, welcome to Wello. Today I'll show you how to create a PDF file on a laptop. Open any browser or open Word if you have it installed. Here we go. Type Docs here or just search for Google Docs. There it is. This is a free service from Google. Click New Document or I'll open an existing one so you can see the process. Here you can add photos, text, and pretty much anything you want. There you go. You can write, add photos by clicking the Insert button. You can insert anything you like, from photos to graphics and video. Then click on File, click Download, and select PDF document. It'll start downloading for you. I already have a download manager, so the PDF just saved directly. And that's it. This was Wello. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you.